Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your location on Strava. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open up Strava app on your phone, and when the app opens, you will be on the home screen. Just go ahead and go to your profile at the top and just click on it. Now, once that you have done that, you will see many options. So what you want to do is go to the edit icon at the top, just below your profile name. And then once you have done that, you will land in this home page. Now here you will be able to edit your profile details, including your name and city. So basically, if you want to edit your name, you can just go ahead and do that. And you can also select your city and state. And let's say I want to set my city like Tokyo and state to something like State 1. Once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and click on Done. And now just below your profile name, you will see our city and location has been successfully added. And that's it. That's how you change location on Strava. By editing the profile and updating the city or location details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.